The word while is a detour road sign with respect to by the end of the word, indicating that the sentence will fit with something in the blank having contradiction with being popular, as materials and craftsmen were diverted toward the wire effort, so it was a hindrance to toy industry, and so hindrance is a good prediction for the blank. So choice C and D is totally opposite to hindrance, and so we can eliminate these two options as they mean advantage. Choice D and choice C are to be eliminated. Besides, choice A and B denote amusement or enjoyment, which make a weak sense of irrelevancy with respect to the blank. So we can eliminate choice A and B. Here, choice E and F mean and match the hindrance perfectly, and so the correct answers are choice E and choice F.